This video covers Revo Uninstaller versus CCleaner. Choosing the right PC cleaner can significantly improve your system's performance without risking data loss. We'll briefly look at both tools and what sets them apart. Revo Uninstaller and CCleaner are popular PC cleaning tools. The core difference lies in their focus. Revo specializes in deep uninstallation and leftover removal, while CCleaner emphasizes system cleanup and privacy protection. Revo Uninstaller is a powerful tool designed primarily for uninstalling software completely from your PC. It works by scanning for leftover files, folders, and registry entries after the standard uninstallation process. This helps prevent clutter and potential system slowdowns caused by remnants of removed programs. Revo offers multiple uninstall modes, including a forced uninstall option for stubborn software. Its strengths include thorough cleanup, a user-friendly interface, and additional tools like a startup manager and junk file cleaner. However, Revo focuses less on general system optimization and privacy features compared to other tools. It might also be more technical for casual users who only want one-click cleaning. Revo Uninstaller is ideal for users who frequently install and remove software and want to ensure no traces are left behind, maintaining a clean and stable system. CCleaner is a versatile PC cleaning tool that targets junk files, temporary data, browser caches, and privacy traces to free up disk space and improve system speed. It also includes a registry cleaner to fix errors and a startup manager to control programs running at boot. CCleaner works by scanning your system and browsers, then allowing you to remove unnecessary files safely with a few clicks. Its strengths lie in ease of use, broad cleaning capabilities, and privacy protection features like cookie management. However, CCleaner's uninstall function is basic and does not remove leftover files as thoroughly as specialized tools. Some users have raised concerns about past privacy practices, though recent versions have improved transparency. CCleaner suits users looking for a simple, all-in-one tool to optimize system performance and protect privacy without needing deep uninstallation features. Revo Uninstaller and CCleaner serve different but complementary purposes. Revo excels at complete software removal, ideal for users who want to avoid leftover clutter after uninstalling applications. In contrast, CCleaner offers broader system cleanup, focusing on junk files, browser data, and privacy protection. If your priority is deep uninstallation and thorough cleanup of software remnants, Revo is the better choice. For general system maintenance, speeding up your PC, and managing privacy, CCleaner provides a more straightforward solution. Trade-offs include Revo's steeper learning curve and limited system optimization features versus CCleaner's less effective uninstall process but easier interface. Both tools can be used together for comprehensive PC care depending on your needs. Choose Revo Uninstaller if you want to remove programs completely and prevent leftover files from slowing down your PC. Opt for CCleaner if you need an easy-to-use tool for regular system cleanup, privacy protection, and overall performance improvement. Both tools have strengths, so selecting based on your specific PC maintenance needs will deliver the best results.